Hello everyone, my name is Gurjo Singh and I created the color picker Chrome extension. As you can see here in the manage extension, you can see color picker whose version is 1.0. I created this extension. Now I show how this work. If we click on the extension that I have created, and when we click on the color pick, then we can pick any color from anywhere inside and outside our browser. I show the example, like I have to pick the color of the Brave VPN. There is the color and there is the color code, and we can see the color here that we have picked. It has also, we can also pick the color from outside our browser, like I have shown the example. Wait a second. Like I have clicked the color picker button. I have picked the color of this prototype game shortcut. Like I have picked the red color. This is the color I have picked, and this is the color code. In this extension I also add the clipboard, where this color is saved to our clipboard. Why my computer is lagging? I think OBS is working, that's why. I have to pick the color. It is also copied to the clipboard. If I click in the URL section and press the Ctrl+V button, the color we have picked is shown here. We can also copy from here, or we can copy the color from here also. I also add the options button. In this option it redirect to our new page. In this I have added the developer spot or buy me a coffee page. I make this extension as a open source. You can visit the code from my GitHub repo. If you want to learn how I created this extension, you can DM me or comment, so I make the dedicated video how I created the extension. This is the folder structure. This is the manifest.json file. There is no permission required for this extension I have created. So it's a simple extension. This is my first extension I have created.